The tree that don't have leaf now because it's summer. After they have flowers, the flower only open at night. It's big one, like the magnolia families. It's big one. Oh, froggies. It's the sound. Wow, bastante. No.
Eso, todo eso
Son ranas.
todas esas cositas que están en el agua. Oh, they're all little frogs.
Oh, they were black things?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot of frogs.
Wow,
It is.
bastante.
They're smart. They're in the water where it's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Y hay tortugas también.
Because there's turtles in there too. Probably hard to see because it's so hot. They're all hiding.
Yeah.
The big tree is the wild fig tree.
Oh, wild pig.
Oh, this white-like one?
Yeah. With the red spots.
Yes. The red and
Looks
white
like it's disease.
Yeah.
announce potential in oxygen. All the trees lose painted.
Right.
It's lichens. When more lichens have the trees, it's better for us.
Oh. Because they produce more oxygen.
Oxygen, Makenke palms. Years ago, our indigenous make something with the wood,
Great
floor, wall.
Those are horrible.
Are they?
They have these black birds in Puerto Rico. They come eat them and they tear off the shell and they make the biggest mess. And then they get like this red tint.
Oh,
Oh,
gosh.
it's horrible.
What is that, like hanging thing?
¿Qué es eso que le?
Makenke is a fruit.
Oh, it's the fruit.
Yes, but now it's coming out. The fruit is green. After the fruit is green. When it's green, it's edible for toucans, squirrel, and different animals.
Yeah, like the black dime birds.
Yes.
They look like little crows. And they make this piercing noise that is just annoying.
And then they make a mess.
And then they make a mess. Yeah, exactly. You come out on the
Chunga.
porch and it's messy.
Or black palms. You can see a long spike for dark frog. Beautiful with the dark frog. The fiber of the chunga makes Panama hat to fiber for made a beautiful basket over and by the indigenous people. They made handicraft, the fibers of the different palm trees.
But if you were to go down in a small aircraft and survive the crash and think you're just gonna walk out, that ain't happening.
No. Well, she says there's crocodiles under here, right? In the waters, yeah, there's crocodiles.
Yes.
Stuff down there.
No alligator in Panama, but big crocodiles. Crocodiles 6 meters. Not everybody 6 meters, but
Yeah, they.
a lot of them. And the reproduction is in May and June. And they can lay 80 until 100 eggs. But not everybody survive. When we have newborns of the crocodile in the area and many wet-faced capuchin monkey is around, and they know that the crocodile is there, they can eat that.
Oh, yeah,
Like
she
that fried
said those
chicken.
monkeys.
The only species,
What was the monkey?
what face? What
They
face
call it
capuchin?
cappuccino. Oh, okay. That's
The-
what the girl said. Ah.
The only species of the monkeys that eat everything is wet face. The other are vegetarians. But wet face eat baby croc, baby iguana, lizard, snake, snail, sardine, everything.
Wow.
That's why she said they wouldn't get too close because they could bite
Yeah.
because they are aggressive.
Well, look, people, let's eat one.
Yeah. Exactly.
They probably prefer tourists. Come compared to the natives.
Yeah, and probably the female tourists too.
Oh yeah, thanks. Okay.
Okay, Hispanic female tourists. Tastes like chicken.
Okay. Just like everything else tastes like chicken.
just like everything else.
You can see that seat. In years ago, our indigenous, I don't know if ever maintain the tradition because not everything maintain the tradition. They waiting that this fruit dry. No, it's edible. It's incenses. Incensed?
Para dar olor. Oh, wow. So once that fruit dries, it's incense. It's not edible, but they used it, the
This
indigenous
one.
used it as incense.
Oh,
That's
wow.
pretty. Does it smell good though? No? Okay.
But they smell. They smell.
Wasn't an overwhelming yes.
Well, sometimes incense isn't that really
Right, exactly. They're, you
Good
know,
smelling
what
anyway.
is that? Yeah.
What's that big? Ooh.
Termites.
Is that termites too
Where?
again? Down in there? See that big gob?
Oh, there's los árboles que se le forman como un,
Okay,
algo bien feo.
if the nest is dark brown and round, it's termite. The termite are blind and they mix with saliva and discompose wood made a tunnel and a big nest, no? If you are lost in the forest, you can eat termite. Have protein for survive in the jungle.
Really?
When it's big termite nest, different parrots, parakeets, parrots, trogons make hole, eat termite, and after eat houses, they can lay egg inside in the termite nest. You can hear? Rock, toucans. ¿Dónde estarán?
Wouldn't it be cool to see a toucan?
I'm holding out for a big snake myself.
I hope not.
Does that mean that there are
Una viva
Yeah,
bien,
we have them.
bien grande.
Grande.
Bien
Boa
grande.
constrictor.
Oh, they have boa constrictors here.
Five,
Wonderful.
they can grow 5 meters. 5 meters. No python, no anaconda in Panama, but we have a boa constrictor in the forest.
Those are the ones that squeeze you and then swallow you whole.
Okay.
Wow.
Gotcha. I'll leave you in the drinker when you go to Puerto Rico.
No se dejan ver. ¡Qué escándalo! Chagres River, the first name, Crocodile River by Christopher Columbus in 1502. In 1503, changed the name on near the last water, Cacique Chagres. Have many stories about the gold trail. All the gold from Peru, Bolivia was here and arrived to the Caribbean sides in Portobello for interchange with the people from the Spanish and Portugal. With two trails. The two trails connect Caribbean with Panama La Vieja in Pacific. One trail hiking for 3 months, especially in the summertime. The other trail hiking and in the river. The same trail useful for Henry Morgan in 1671 when he arrived to Panama La Vieja. All the life, Panama is the exclusive trail for everything, no? And now for Panama Canal.
Straight up there.
When began the isthmus for the gold.
There's a vine hanging straight down.
And now it's the only river in the world that empties into ocean, Pacific size, Caribbean size, and there are 200 inches of rainfall. Yes. And now it's national park. Look the lianas, huh? The vines, so pretty.
The vines that are.
These vines grow up down.
That's what you guys were just talking about.
And now I can show you in the trail other group that grow down up. The ground down up is more strong because obtain the nutrients of the floor. One group of the vines is useful for rope, for something, for medicines, We have a group of them that is poisoned. We have a group of the vines that inside contain water. Water for 5 or 8 people.
It's a lot of water.
Different type of the vines. Other group of the vine strangulate the tree for looking the sunlight. Rainforest is the competition. Who is the best in survive? Okay, other nest right there.
There's one right there.
Okay, this nest is different. No is round and no is dark brown. It's Aztec ant, very tiny ant and live million them and have the symbiosis with the tree. The tiny ant protect the plant, but our indigenous in years ago, they recollect the Aztec ant and kill them. And useful for nature repellent. Well, now they can buy box spray. But in years ago, everything useful for the first jungle training in Panama.
Yeah. Wow.
And here is visible the ant. Look at that. Lot of them, million of them.
And how many different things do people want to dry out, grind up, and smoke?
Yes, fine. Different things.